I think data science is a rather broad topic. So looking at its name, it basically involves two aspects, right? So data and science. As for data, of course, it plays an essential role. As you may see, like nowadays, we have a lot of different types of data emerging in all areas of our daily life due to the rapid development of technologies in storing and also collecting the data. So based on all these different kinds of different forms of data, we are able to record our daily activities. So for example, your mobile devices and also your watches, this type of things. And also we use data to review or analyze the natural science. So for example, we can use data to detect the relationship between different genes and different proteins. And also we use data science or data to boost the development of artificial intelligence. So for example, a very hot topic is the autonomous driving these days. And all these are based on analyzing the data nowadays. As for the science part, I think it requires us to really understand all these different forms of data, and more importantly, to choose or select the appropriate methods and develop appropriate methodologies to deal with these different types of data. And to make it scientific, I would say it requires us to have proper theoretical guarantees to support our choice for different methodologies, or to validate the new development for the new methods and tools. And in that regard, the knowledge of statistics and mathematics is very crucial. And also in practice, the numerical performance of all these methods or tools is very important. Which then requires us to get knowledge in all these machine learning algorithms and also the computer science. And overall, I will say the data science is a mixture of the statistics, mathematics, and also the computer science.
So data science has been around for a while, about 30 years now, but it got this prominence because of two main factors. One is the advancing computational power, right? So we have the computers that they can run faster algorithms, and we have more storage ability, we have a huge amount of data. And the other side of it is that there was a change in the mindset across the domains. Everybody now has access to data. So from manufacturing to education, healthcare, you name it, entertainment, we have so much data available to us. Why not to use this data to make informed decisions and make our world better? We can see applications of data science everywhere. When you pick your phone and you're texting your friend, the fact that your phone is suggesting you correctly the next word to use to complete your sentence, this is data science in action. When you go grocery shopping and this favorite store and eventually start receiving mail with coupons, and actually what the merchant is doing is it's recovering, it's keeping information about your buying habits. It knows what you buy, which items you usually buy together. So it can use this information to provide you coupons, right? So it improves your shopping experience at the same time that they improve their profit. Another example is social network. When you post a picture of yourself with a bunch of friends and the social network suggests, hey, this is this friend with this name and it's completely correct, this is data science. So data science is everywhere. You can use it in simple little things as trying to advertise a product for a specific demographics. Or, for instance, I took a flight the other day, an international flight, and at the time to board the plane, there was no more need to scan my boarding pass. There was a camera that took a picture of my face, did a facial recognition, and it checked. I was boarded and my seat was filled. So this is all different applications. Some are more amazing than others, but all applications of data science.